Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best movie apps for iPhone in 2025, especially if you're looking for free movie streaming apps that actually work. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open your app store and then go to the search bar at the bottom. Now, under the search bar, type in Bflix. And when you see Bflix movies and TV shows, tap on it, then tap on Get to start downloading. Once it's installed, you're ready to start watching movies right away. Next up, we have Movies Box. Search for it the same way in your app store and make sure you're selecting the correct app from the list. Install it on your device. This one's great for keeping up with your favorite films and TV shows. Now, if you love both streaming and organizing your own movie collection, then the next one is a must-have. It's called Plex. Search for Plex, tap on Get and install it. This app not only lets you stream free movies but also allows you to access your personal media library from any device. Now, for those who love Asian dramas and international films, you'll definitely want to get Viki. Search for Viki, select the correct app and hit Get to install it. This one's perfect for watching Korean, Japanese and Chinese dramas with subtitles. Next one is Just Watch. It's an incredibly helpful app that lets you find out which streaming platforms have your favorite movies or shows. Once it appears, just download and install it. It makes planning your movie night so much easier. And finally, we have Filmbox. It's another solid app for streaming movies on your iPhone for free. So, yeah. These are some of the best movie apps for iPhone in 2025 that you can download right now to watch or stream movies easily. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone app guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.